Hey there, welcome back to Pepper Geek. In today's video, we're going to be harvesting every ghost pepper off of this plant. So this was supposed to be a bhut jolokia solid gold plant, but the pods ripened to red, which is okay, it's understandable. This is an unstable variety, but still we got a very impressive plant here, and this thing is just loaded with peppers. Can't wait to find out how many we get off the plant. One thing you may be wondering is, well, hey, Calvin, didn't you tell us to harvest peppers as they ripen? Well, yes, we did recommend that and we stand by it, but in this case, we just wanted to see how many peppers we could get off of the plant at one time. And so today we're gonna find out. It's starting to get chilly here. It's dipping down into the 40s and some of the leaves on the plant are starting to turn yellow and drop off, and that's natural this time of year. So it's time to harvest. Speaking of getting chilly, you might notice I'm wearing our Pepper Geek beanie. Get yours over at our shop. With or without the pom-pom, by the way. It's up to you if you want to have fun in your life or not, but. So, got a big bowl. I think this should be enough, but we're about to find out. So, let's get picking. It's freaking loaded. All right, it's gonna take a while. Still counts. Just to put my guess forth, I think there's gonna be 145 peppers. Crystalline?
60.
60?
A few moments later.
62, 63, 64, 69, giggity, 70. Wow, look at these monsters. These guys are fat. 87, 88, 89, 94, 95, 31, 32, 133, 34, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, wow, 146, 147, 148 peppers. 148 plus 2 unripe peppers, so let's call it 150. I'm pretty impressed and just about filled up this bowl with peppers. So you may be wondering, what do you do with a harvest this big, this many ghost peppers? And the answer is a lot of things, but we're going to be fermenting a lot of these, get some fermented ghost pepper mash. We're gonna let it go for, I don't know, a month, something like that. Make some hot sauce with that, make some fresh hot sauce, experiment in the kitchen with salsas, all sorts of stuff. We have a lot of work to do and we're gonna get right to it with these. It's a little sad that we have to say goodbye to this plant. We could overwinter it. I'm not sure if we're going to yet. What do you think? Should we do it? Should we not do it? It still looks pretty healthy and I can see it's already trying to produce more flowers. There's buds all over this thing, so it's by no means done producing, but it's getting too cold here in New England for it. In case you're wondering what's going on below the surface here, this is just Fox Farms Happy Frog soil, and we amended it a little bit with some Miracle Grow Organics all-purpose fertilizer. But we stopped fertilizing about halfway through the season. We just figured it had enough. It was shooting off all sorts of peppers, so we just let it go. After a certain point, I think it was sometime in July, around then, we just stopped fertilizing altogether, just gave it water, and it just produced like crazy. This plant was started from seed on March 1st, and we transplanted pretty early indoors and got it into this pot earlier than most of our other plants, which is why it's so much bigger. And if we had more indoor space, we would do that with more of our plants. But that was a big contributing factor to why this plant was able to grow so large. Also, ghost pepper plants are just able to grow larger than some other pepper varieties. Like, you're not gonna get a bell pepper that will give you 150 peppers, but ghost peppers and other chinense varieties have the physiological makeup to make this happen. If you like this video and you want to learn how to grow peppers, check out peppergeek.com. You can also get our beanies over there. It's getting cool here in New England and in the north, so you can help support us that way. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.